this video, I'll show you how to change your Facebook location settings. First of all, open the Facebook app, then tap on the menu icon at the top right corner. Scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap on it and then select Settings. Scroll down until you see the section called Device Permission. Then choose Device Permissions option. Tap on Location option. Select Update Settings. Then click on Open Device Settings and select the Permissions option. Scroll down and then select the Location option. If it's set to Never, change it to Allow. Go back to Facebook app. Then tap on your profile and go to the Details section. Then select See Your About info. Under Places Lived, select Add Hometown option. Tap on the Hometown name option. Now you can change your Facebook location settings. And that's it. I hope this helped.